What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're currently headed to Blackout Window Tint, which is a local tint shop who's gonna be putting on our window banners for, well, only my window banner for Mamba Garage. So it's gonna be the front windshield. Yeah, I'll show you guys, but it's gonna be on the Supra right now. We're taking a Supra, and then another day we're gonna take the other cars, the Porsche, the RX-7, which is right there, and the Porsche is somewhere back there, and then we have the BMW. So we're gonna have 4 banners, at least on my cars, and then I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to our Instagram, but we just recruited like 20 more cars, like 5 RX-7s, Evos, GTRs, Porsche GT3, a C8, and a bunch of Supras. So make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. This is at Mamba Garage. I'll leave the link below in the description. But yeah, let me drive over to the Blackout Window Tint and I'll show you guys the banners once we get there. Finally got the banner installed and it looks really good on the Supra. We're gonna be taking the RX-7 probably next week, and then what else? The Porsche and BMW. Well, I gotta get one for the Porsche. Only have 3 banners right now. Let me put the window up. Yeah, I'm sweating like crazy right now because the Supra got no AC. The AC went out I think a month after I got the car, so it's just been blowing hot air. Gotta get that figured out. And this Florida heat's crazy. I think it's like 95 degrees outside right now. But huge shout out to Blackout Window Tint for installing the banner. Definitely, if you are in the Central Florida area, head over to their shop. Really cool people, and they'll take care of you if you need a tint. But other than that, you guys at least saw the banner in the little cinematic that we did. So that's it for this video, pretty much. Short, quick video of the install. Hope you guys can hear me with all this noise going on. But yeah, we'll be back with more videos. Thank you guys for tuning in.